Scientists have identified asteroids of interstellar origin moving across our solar system. The first space rock that the scientists discovered was asteroid 514107, Kapioka Alwa, which means mischievous opposite moving companion of Jupiter. Scientists at Sao Paulo State University's Institute of Geosciences and Exact Sciences, the IGCE UNESP in Rio Claro, Brazil, have recently spotted 19 asteroids of interstellar origin. These asteroids have been classified as centaurs, which are outer solar system objects that revolve around the Sun in the region between the orbits of Jupiter and Neptune. The study, which was titled An Interstellar Origin for High Inclination Centaurs, was supported by FAPESP and has been published in the Royal Astronomical Society's monthly notices. According to the study, when the solar system formed 4.5 billion years ago in a stellar nursery, it comprised its systems of planets and asteroids. Some stars were close enough to each other to facilitate strong gravitational interactions. Due to these interactions, an exchange of material among the systems took place. Some objects now in the solar system must therefore have formed around other stars. Until recently, however, they couldn't distinguish between captured interstellar objects and objects that formed around the Sun. The first identification was made in 2018. The first space rock that the scientists discovered was the asteroid 514107. That asteroid is called K. Pacohuela. The name of the asteroid is Hawaiian, and it loosely translates to mischievous opposite moving companion of Jupiter. The study also revealed that the centaurs have highly inclined orbits with respect to the orbital plane of the planets. It also divulged that the space rocks and planets which arose in the solar system were produced from a thin disk of gas and dust that orbited the Sun. According to researchers, celestial bodies and objects that were formed in the solar system moved in the plane of the disk 4.5 billion years ago. If this was the case, it should have also been true for the centaurs. However, the simulation showed that 4.5 billion years ago, these objects revolved around the Sun in orbits perpendicular to the disk's plane. In addition, they did so in a region distant from the gravitational effects of the original disk. Centaurs are icy planetesimals located between Jupiter and Neptune. They cross the orbits of one or more of the giant planets in their journey around the Sun, and interactions with these outer planets cause the orbits of centaurs to be inherently unstable. For this very reason, they are thought to be transitory objects that have been scattered out of the Kuiper belt, perhaps more specifically, the scattered disk, and will soon be ejected from the solar system or are in the process of transitioning from the Kuiper belt objects to Jupiter family comets. Evidence has been shown to support their origin in the Kuiper belt lies in the observation that they have similar sizes, spectral properties, and color distributions to KBOs. Their end status as a Jupiter family comet or a short period comet, also thought to originate in the Kuiper belt, is suggested by observations of the first detected centaur, Chiron. Originally classified as an asteroid, Chiron has subsequently developed a cometary coma and is now classified as both an asteroid and a comet. This potential for dual classification as an asteroid and as a comet prompted the name centaur, as in the half-man, half-horse beast from Greek mythology. There are almost 250 centaurs and scattered disk objects currently known. Your comments down below in regards to the discovery and identification of asteroids of interstellar origin that are currently moving through our solar system. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this content with your friends and family members. Thanks for watching the Learning Academy.